The Panasonic GF3CK Camera Kit offers an impressive blend of DSLR capabilities within a compact, smartphone-sized body, making it ideal for those seeking portability without sacrificing performance. Its intuitive touch-enabled LCD screen allows for easy navigation and quick access to various shooting modes, providing a user-friendly experience similar to operating a smartphone. With a built-in pop-up flash and high ISO sensitivity, this camera performs admirably in low-light conditions, ensuring that you capture clear and vibrant images even when lighting is less than ideal. The inclusion of a versatile Micro Four Thirds lens system means users can enjoy a broad selection of lenses, including options for 3D capture without compromising on image quality. The GF3CK's advanced dust reduction system effectively maintains image clarity by preventing dust accumulation on the sensor, a common issue with interchangeable lens cameras. In addition to capturing stunning still images, this camera excels in video recording, offering full high-definition capabilities with features designed to enhance both video quality and audio clarity.